phone?
Not today. You can't use your phone po. But your other phone...
It's big.
Yes? Are you making me lambing? Ay, sus. What's her name po?
It's Barbie.
Okay po. Do you want to have a sister na? At nandito kami ulit sa Osaka. Thank you, Swiss Hotel, the best. At syempre, pag Swiss Hotel, the one and only, I'm Shirley. Grabe yung room na to. Parang ayoko na umuwi. Pakita ko yung room, ah. Grabe. Hi, Peanut. Are you in Japan again?
Yes.
One more. Head to head. Head to head. What's next? Nose to nose. And then? No, Jesus naman. Grabe, Swiss Hotel. Thank you very much. Meron pala dito. Ha? Huh? Baka paglabas dyan, parang SMB Kuta na yan. Grabe, oh. Eto yung labas, oh. Swiss Hotel, thank you very much, Shirley. Iba ka talaga. Nasa Osaka na naman kami. Yun lang yun. Dahil love namin ng Japan. Marami tayong kasama. Nandito ang family din ni How How. Family ni How How. Si Don Fons. Si Don Fons pupunta rin dito sa Osaka dahil naghahanap siya ng mga building na pwedeng bilhin. Tapos i-connect niya sa mga building niya sa Manila. Zipline lang daw. Si Peanut. Si Brittle. Hi, Brittle. Si Brittle.
Papa, who's that? Who's that?
Nothing. Si Peanut. Si Brittle. Quality time ang mag-asawa. Ice cream, kiss papa. Ay, sus, lambing-lambingan. Pag-imblet, tiket. Grabe yung burger na to.
Look, Dada!
What? There's a baby!
Wearing a mermaid costume.
Wearing a mermaid
Because she loves to swim in the ocean.
What's her name po?
It's Barbie.
That's Barbie?
Barbie mermaid.
Okay po. Do you want to have a sister na? Ang gusto ko lang naman makasama yung asawa ko. Ang gusto ko lang naman makapag-date kami, pahinga ng konti. I love you. Yun ang gusto ko, pahinga lang. Don Fons. Panyero.
Yeah.
Sabi niya, kaya siya pumunta, sa mabilisan lang daw. Gusto niyang bilhin ng Uniqlo. Tama?
Hindi pa kami nagkakasundo sa presyo pero tumatawad na ako.
Ayun na. Okay, sarap ng may minamahal. Kahit hindi mo na isaw-saw. Yan na.
So good. Thank you. Sobrang sarap.
Matsusaka again. Hi again, Kuni. Kuni palagi. Every single time. Mr. Osaka. Mr. Osaka right there. We'll put as meron siyang food crawl dito sa Osaka. Ilalagay namin dito. As always, pag nasa Osaka kami, hindi pwedeng hindi namin kasama si Kuni, the best. Thank you also, Michelle. Thank you. Ay, sarap. Yes.
Baby croissant.
Croissant.
Sobrang favorite ko dito ito. It's me. Ang pangalan nila. Sobrang sarap. Nasa gilid lang siya ng kalsada. Pero ano din siya, parang upscale.
Oo, mukha naman.
Kiosk siya. Pero sobrang sarap nito. Sarap ba?
Ginawang squid ball yung croissant. Well, matamis ng konti yung crust ng croissant, diba? Food vlogger na ako eh.
Rosie Poo?
Hey sis, mama bought you flowers for you and the baby. Hey sis.
I have merienda for you. It's baby croissant. You want to see?
Mama bought you
I got
merienda.
you. Okay, you hold this first.
Ay, sus. Ay, sus. Good morning, Peanut. Good morning, Mermaid Barbie.
How do they make it?
They roll the pastry into a small ball and then they put, I think, honey or sugar on it and then they fry it. Tama ba? They fry it.
Deep fry siguro.
Mm-mm.
And
And then that's it.
that is my snacks.
Opo, it is. It's yours po. It's there. That's for your baby.
Excuse me. You're so Let me see what you're wearing. Ay, so sweet. What's inside your bag po?
Phone, lip balm, and stickers.
Phone, lip balm, and stickers? Why are you so beautiful? Ay.
Papa, do you allow me to use phone?
Not today. You can't use your phone po. But your other phone,
A little bit.
the pink one, I'll let you use the pink phone you have. Okay po?
The real phone?
Not the real phone.
No, a little bit. Because I'm going to play music.
Later. I love you. I love you.
You can watch and you can play music.
It's Saturday today.
Okay, okay. Yes? Are you making me lambing? Ay, sus. Ay, 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 ay! Ay, sus, ang magkamukha. Uy, sus. Hazelnut. Do you love ice cream with Papa? Do you love eating ice cream with Papa po? Hmm? Hey, hey, hey. Yes, you do? How much do you love Papa? With? Love you. What?
My favorite color is green.
Your favorite color is green? What else do you want to whisper? What else? Purple? Can you whisper, please, how much do you love your Papa? Nose to nose? Priceless moments sa akin. Best moments. Hi! Walking with Peanut. Kakain kami. Meet namin si Mama. Ate MM. Si Brittle. Peanut and Brittle.
What did you say?
I called Ate MM Peanut Brittle. I called her Brittle because you're my peanut. Ay, nako. Sana ganito siya kaliit forever. What did you want to say to Popsy?
I love you, Popsy.
Look at Popsy.
I love you,
flying
Popsy. Mama.
How much do you love Popsy?
My Duke.
With all your Duke? Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Ito na ulit. Ito na. Ito na. Bigyan ko ng konti lang. Konting sauce. Konti lang. Mmm! 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 Hot! Relax naman si Don Pons.
The usual day,
Peaceful days.
Matsusaka, beef again. Every day, 3 times a day.
Huwag mo na lunukin. Huwag mo na kagatin. Lunok na kagad. Uy, wow. Look at that face. Wow. Uy.
Another day, another beef.
Dip. Sorry. Pero sa lahat ng to, ang pinakamalambot dito, to. Yung pinakamalambot. Yan ang pure Wagyu.
Are you excited for your chocolate ice cream? Yes!
Chocolate.
Chocolate!
Yep.
Lick it na!
I'm going to take it outside.
But one bite. One lick.
Just one bite. What?
I like it.
You like it? Yummy?